Hi everyone. So today the focus when we're looking at sugar is to look at ingredients and nutritional value on the back of packets when you're going out shopping. I thought the best place to start would be cereals because most of us start our day off with cereals, especially for the children. So again, none of the companies particularly bad or good. These are things I picked up in the supermarket and things I've got at home. These are the things I've got at home. So just grabbing one, this is Cocoa Pops, very popular with lots of children, designed to make it really fun for children. But if we zoom in and have a look, what we're going to have a look at is your nutritional information. So the nutritional information is important, and here we've got carbohydrates, of which are sugar. So if we look at the quantity per serving, which is over here, that says it's got 9 grams of sugar. Bearing in mind that children under 3 are not meant to have any added sugar, what we need to do is to find out whether this sugar is added sugar or whole sugar. So we then have to go to the ingredients. So if we have a look at the ingredients, the second ingredient along is sugar. That means that there is added sugar to this. So those 9 grams of sugar, most of that will be added sugar as opposed to whole sugar. Okay, really bad start to the day. You're also going to get whole sugar from your milk that you're going to add to this as well. If we look at all of these cereals, you can have a look at them if you've got them at home. Look at the back exactly the same way I've just showed you. You'll find they all have added sugar, including Weetabix. Okay, so what can we do? What are we going to do about this? How can I make those changes? Which is a lot of questions that are being asked at the moment. One of the easiest ways to do this is to go for whole cereals. So porridge is a brilliant, versatile cereal to have. If we look at the back of the packet of porridge, and again, any porridge, if we look at the ingredients, which is just up here, there's just one line. One line says oats. That's all that's in it. And if we look at the nutritional value, you can see that per serving of what they suggest is 40 grams is 0.4 grams. And that will be whole sugar, not added sugar, because the sugar is coming from the grain, from the oat. So that is healthier. That's the sugar we want. So when you make your porridge, you can be in control of how much sugar you are adding. So, and by that I mean whole sugar, fruits, berries, bananas, very dense in sugar. Add cinnamon for flavour. Those will make the porridge tastier, make it give you a bit of variety as well. But you are in control of that sugar, and that's what the most important thing is. If we look at quinoa, there's some puffed quinoa here. That's also important. In here I've measured out 40 grams of porridge. That's what they're suggesting that is a portion, 40 grams. That's a lot of porridge to eat, and that will fill you up as well. So the one thing that I also get asked and told quite a lot is, well, the children don't like it. You know, they tried the puffed rice as another example instead of the Rice Krispies. Oh, and they didn't like it. Well, no, they're not going to like it because it's going to take 1 or 2 months of persistent and consistent eating of these new foods before your palate then changes and adapts to being able to actually taste the sugars and see that they're sweet. So don't give up. Keep going at it, and it will work. We all have to make those changes because refined sugar, added sugar is so unhealthy for us. So keep at it, keep going, and I hope you find this video useful.